Introducing the Exerputic TF1000 Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill from Paradigm Health and Wellness. We know you want to get started on your healthy and fit lifestyle right away, so our Exerputic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill comes virtually assembled right out of the box. Simply attach the LCD computer monitor panel and you're ready to get started. Treadmill fitness walking has been proven to be an effective way to get fit. Here's what you can expect from the Exerputic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill. The Exerputic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is a heavy-duty treadmill. It's designed to accommodate up to 400 pounds of user weight with wide side rails and a heavy-duty steel frame. The treadmill belt is 20 inches wide, similar to commercial fitness club-size treadmills. The 18-inch extra-long safety handles are more than 2 times longer than typical treadmill handles, so no reaching is necessary to secure yourself. No more losing your balance on a treadmill. Getting on and getting off is very easy and safe. The Exerputic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill has a 2-position manual incline feature where you can adjust the incline position very easily to change the intensity level of your workout. Burning more calories and gaining more strength is easy when you're on Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill. The Exerputic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill also comes with a smart computer with an LCD display featuring functions of elapsed time, distance walked, calories burned, and speed. Easy-to-use speed control buttons on the handlebar allow you to adjust from 1/10 of a mile per hour to up to 4 miles per hour for a vigorous fitness walking workout. An on-off switch is right on the handlebar for easy access when your workout is finished. Plus, there's a pulse monitor where you can measure and check your target heart rate anytime and stay within your target heart rate zone. The Exerputic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is powered with a 1.5 horsepower high-torque motor, which utilizes quiet drive, so you can watch TV or listen to music while walking with no interference. And more, the Exerputic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is easy to fold and store with a hydraulic shock absorber and transportation wheels for relocating the treadmill. It is built to last. Our 5-year limited warranty on the motor and a 1-year limited warranty on the frame means that you can buy with confidence and you can get healthy and fit with your Exerputic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill for many years to come.
Find your edge with the Nautilus Performance Series T618 Treadmill. It gives you the training programs, tracking tools, and comfort features you need to push your limits and hit your goals. The T618 lets you create and measure your own customized workouts with 26 unique training programs. For race training, the Nautilus Pacer has your back with real-time coaching. It tells you when you're on, above, or below the ideal pace to meet your goal. The T618 even measures your endurance capacity and gives you a fitness score at the end of your workout. Looking to measure your results against your goals? No problem. The T618 is designed with integrated Bluetooth technology, so your workout data syncs seamlessly with the Nautilus Trainer app, as well as our connected partners. Track your progress week by week, earn awards, and share your results online. Nautilus is partnered with the ultimate mixed reality training app, Run Social. Travel the world while you train with the amazing new digital fitness experience that lets you explore short and long courses all around the globe. Just choose and download the course you want. Create an event and invite friends. Join an existing event or take a solo tour through breathtaking scenery without ever stepping outside. The T618 is geared towards your comfort and convenience, with features like our exclusive rebound cushioning deck, which minimizes stride impact while maximizing kickoff. Speed and incline controls integrated right into the handrails, so you can adjust them without slowing down. And a built-in USB charging port to keep your battery full while you work out. Plus, a 3.5 CHP motor, 2.75-inch rollers, a 20x60-inch gym-quality running path, telemetry-enabled heart rate monitoring with wireless chest strap or grip sensors, premium in-console speakers, and a 3-speed fan. All of which adds up to a treadmill that delivers the performance results you want and the connected metrics you need to hit your goals. That's Nautilus training.
Get your daily cardio started in a flash with the easy assembly foldable treadmill. Unfold and unwind as you take steps towards a new you on this space-saving treadmill. Quickly track your progress on the digital monitor as you go from a slow-paced walk to an all-out hill climb up the fixed incline, up to 5 miles per hour. Feel safe and secure with the onboard handrails and sturdy frame that supports users up to 220 pounds in user weight. Equipped with transportation wheels and a foldable design, this product can be stored virtually anywhere. Jumpstart your in-home cardio workout today with the easy assembly foldable treadmill.
The Bowflex Treadmill offers an incredible workout on its own, but combined with the Bowflex Journey app, you can get the most from every run. Ready for the guided tour?
Let's do this.
Bowflex Journey is a fitness-focused artificial intelligence that helps you find success by learning from your capabilities, then adjusting with an individualized experience. And with either a monthly or yearly subscription, you'll unlock everything that Bowflex Journey has to offer. Bowflex Journey provides the motivation needed to succeed with customized workouts tailored to you. Every run is accompanied by in-workout coaching and fitness tips.
All right, we're about to speed up to an easy run pace
that keep you on track and help you reach long-term success. Bowflex Journey helps you stay on track by celebrating milestones, achievements, and personal bests.
Nice!
Providing in-depth analytics and awards, helping you track speed and calories burned, and by fueling every workout with Bowflex Radio, streaming today's biggest hits, so you can work out to pop, country, hip-hop, and more. Explore the world, allowing you to tour the planet from the comfort of home, featuring locations like Death Valley, the Swiss Alps, and many more. No matter your fitness goals, a subscription to Bowflex Journey ensures that you're guided every step of the way.
Ready to pick up your pace?
Helping you lose weight, increase endurance, and remove plateaus often associated with self-guided routines. Nearly every aspect of your experience can be tailored to find the right fit for you. Looking for a smarter workout? Maximize your results with Bowflex Journey. Subscribe today.
Treadmills are the most popular piece of equipment in use today, and the Life Fitness T3 is perfect for the traditional user who wants the durability Life Fitness products are famous for. The most important feature of a treadmill is the running surface. The T3 has a wide, safe running surface that is 5 feet long and 20 inches wide. It features Life Fitness's patented Flex Deck technology, which reduces stress on your joints by up to 30%, decreasing the chance for injury and keeping you feeling great. And the custom-engineered Life Springs deliver a consistently smooth shock-absorbing surface for years and years. The T3 features a contact heart rate monitor with adjustable chest strap, providing you with real-time feedback to ensure you are getting the maximum cardio workout for your body. And the sturdy 3-horsepower motor is ultra-smooth and quiet. All Life Fitness equipment is designed in state-of-the-art biomechanical labs in Chicago. That means you get innovative design like the simple navigation and ergonomically placed controls, bringing the buttons you use most often closer to you on the T3. And you will love the Go System Quick Start feature that remembers your preferred workout, so you can get started with the simple push of a button. What could be easier than that? As the inventor of the first computerized workout equipment, Life Fitness's heritage, biomechanics, and durability are why more people choose Life Fitness every day than any other brand in the world. Life Fitness, it's what we live for.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.